Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Taylor. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another tutorial, or if this is the first video that you're seeing of me, hello, my name is Taylor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've seen my videos before, feel free to skip the intro. You can skip to this timestamp to get right into the tutorial because you probably already know everything I'm about to say. I post a ton of digital illustration tutorials and draw with me videos, as well as a little bit of bullet journaling content. So if you're into that, feel free to subscribe. And if you aren't from my Instagram, which I'm sure most of you are from my Instagram since I have a larger following on there, you can follow my Instagram as well. I post a ton of behind the scenes stuff, some sneak peeks at content. I do questions, polls. But if you are new to my channel, a few of the commonly asked questions that I get is what app I use, and the app that I use is Adobe Illustrator Draw. It's a free app on the App Store. You can get it for iPhone or for Android, and in this video I'm also using another app. You guys will see it at the end what I do with it, but it's called Infinite Painter, and it's another free app for Android and iPhone. There will be links to download both of these apps in the description box, as well as I have more beginner tutorials on how to use these apps. If you are not familiar with these two apps, I have really helpful beginner tutorials for both of them. So if you want to check those out first and then come back to this video, you can do that. But I will have all my tutorials linked down below. I have a ton of different ones, from facial features to shading, full body shading, everything. And if you have any requests, feel free to comment them down below or send me a DM on Instagram. Another question that I get is, do I have an iPad, an Apple Pencil? What do I use to draw this stuff? Everything that you see drawn on my YouTube and on my Instagram is drawn just with my iPhone, and I use my finger as my Apple Pencil. I don't have an iPad, I don't have an Apple Pencil. I use all free apps. I try to make it really easy for you guys so anyone can do this. And I think that's all I have to go over. Wait, I didn't even say what the video title is. This video. So in this video, we are going to be learning how to draw jeans. This is a request. They're kind of like distressed jeans, with rips and stuff, okay? It's one of my favorite things to draw. But this is a request by one of you guys, so thank you so much for your request, and I hope that you like this video. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so right now I'm picking out the color of the jeans. Sometimes with jeans, color match doesn't really work that well, but you gotta play around with it a little bit, but I thought this color looked good for now. Now I'm taking my tapered brush and darkening the color to make that little crease under her butt where the jeans wrinkle. I love using tapered brushes for that. And now I'm just outlining the pockets, all those darker denim colored areas. I'm using that same dark color. And I'm just going to do that over all of those darker denim lines. Now that I finished the darker areas, I'm brightening the blue color a little bit, and I'm doing all those lighter areas, so it's pretty self-explanatory. You're really just tracing right over the colors on the jeans. And that's what I'm doing for the pockets. Pockets have always been tricky for me, but after I started doing this technique, I guess, they're pretty self-explanatory, but I would always get so frustrated with them, but hopefully this helps you guys. And now we're working on this ripped area, which is one of my favorite things to draw for some reason, but I'm just taking that lighter color and I'm putting it around where the rip is, kind of outlining it. And then I'm taking my tapered brush and doing a white color and drawing the lines and drawing a little line around it and kind of just making it super messy. And I'm drawing some strings hanging down from it. I love how the tapered brush makes this look. It looks so good. Then I'm just filling in, where her skin would show with her skin tone. I'm just doing that same technique here for the bottom, kind of distressed look. I'm using that lighter color, doing a white tapered line at the bottom, super messy, and then just drawing those little strings with the white tapered brush and filling in with her skin tone. Now you guys, I'm pretty much just finishing all of these little highlights and shadows on the jeans. Pretty self-explanatory. This tutorial isn't really very detailed just because it's super simple. You're just using kind of the same techniques on all of the stitches on the jeans. So I'm just finishing that up. I'm gonna color the background and yeah, enjoy watching the rest of the video. So you guys, I am finishing up the picture here. I hope that you guys like it and learned from it. But I think my major tip for just doing denim or like ripped jeans, distressed jeans, is just like the messier the better. Like don't worry about clean lines and stuff with this. You know, it doesn't have to be perfect, and it probably would look better if it was, you know, a little bit messy. The lines were a little bit not straight. Like just be messy with this, and I think that's kind of my one tip I would give. Alright guys, so now for texture on the jeans, I am using the app Infinite Painter. So I saved it from Adobe Draw and put it into the app Infinite Painter, which I also have a tutorial on. If you guys are not familiar with Infinite Painter, I have a tutorial on it. But I like Infinite Painter because it has these textured brush tools that are super unique, and they have like a lot of uses, and Adobe Draw does not have these. So I just threw the picture in here, and I'm using one of the like charcoal brushes to do this textured look on the pants. So that's how you would get like the jeans look. And here is the finished product. Okay, you guys, that is the video on how to draw jeans slash how to draw denim, distressed jeans. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to thumbs it up. You guys can leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of it, or leave any video requests you guys have, because I love doing your guys' requests. And subscribe, of course, for more digital illustration tutorials. And you can also follow my Instagram to see sneak peeks of when I'm posting content. I post on here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So subscribe to see those videos. And I always post my content schedule on Sundays on my Instagram story, so you guys can get a little sneak peek of what's coming for the week. Feel free to send me a DM of your recreations if you have any questions. If you tried drawing jeans and want to show me, I love to see your guys' pictures in my DMs, so feel free to do that, and I reply to all my DMs. I hope that you guys liked this video, found it helpful, hope you learned something. Of course, check out my other tutorials. I have so many up for you guys that I think you guys will find really helpful if you did like this one. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. No, not a vibe, but you're working. Lost and all I love them all to me.